What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick install on the B9 S5. We have carbon mirror caps that need to be swapped out. I have the original silver Premium Plus mirror caps. You can see here, these have been wrapped. Got some rock chips on them. These are just gloss black now, but these need to be swapped with carbon fiber ones. I have them. They've been sitting on my shelf for a long time. Coils, no. Audi white door handles. Ah, right here. Swap them out. We gotta get that done right now. Let's do it. Let's grab these real quick on the parts shelf. Boom, baby. What do we got? I can't remember if this is Carbon Collective or where these are from, but these are the gloss carbon mirror caps. I looked up a couple different ways on how to do this. Locked. The Audi method is they want you to take the mirror glass out, but you don't have to do that. You should be able to just pry out the top here. Just some trim removal tools, pretty much. No way. Oh no, it's just the little slit right there. Okay. Let's see. Here we have this little clip here for the lane departure monitoring. So wedge this out. There we go. Okay, thing to know here, which I did not see, was this goes in kind of backwards and seats flush. So it goes in like this, and you can see these little tabs. See these little tabs. This comes in and seats flush like this, and these little tabs just click into place like that. So this is really snug and won't go out the other way as long as you push these tabs in and then you wiggle those tabs on either side, then it'll push through, and then you push it out the other way, just like that. This was the same reverse installation, pull through, clicks into place, doesn't move at all. We'll plug this guy right back in. All of our tabs. And now this sits flush here. Blue wants me to throw his ball so bad, but the moment I try, he'll just run away. You chilling? My sun boy. My sunshine boy. Both sides exactly the same. So I might not have any broken clips, so it's harder to get off. You have like one little layer and then you have the next part. There you go. Yeah, this one's gone on way better. Nice. If you guys are interested in what brand these are, just post a comment and I'll send you a link. I'll shoot some vids of it later in the sun, but wow, it looks so much better than the black. I gotta get more carbon fiber on this on the exterior. The steering wheel I have coming that's getting custom made is all carbon fiber to match the inside. It looks so good. There you have it. 5-minute install of the carbon fiber mirror caps on a B9 S5. This is the same exact install for like the B9.5, the A4, S4, A5, S5. It's all the same. But thanks to my friend Gabe for selling these to me really cheap off of his S5 that he no longer has. These are sick. Like I said, if you want another brand, just DM me. Appreciate it, guys. See you next time.